So, good morning, friends. I welcome you all to this particular session related to understanding how the startups function, how the startups can think about starting their own initiative, how to apply your innovative thoughts and ideas in a feasible startup plan or business plan, and accordingly, you can proceed ahead. Many of you, as you people are pursuing your professional studies, either BBA or BCA or PGDM course, you all understand the importance of startup, isn't it? So, as this is going to be a webinar, I'll appreciate if you can follow certain basic rules and regulations of this webinar. Everybody should keep their audio in mute form, except the speakers. Rest others will keep their speakers in mute form. Once when the speaker is going to speak, he's going to unmute the speaker so that without any disturbance, you can hear to the concerned, right? So the basic thing I want you to once again keep this in your mind that when we talk about webinar or virtual session, your speakers should remain in mute form. If it is time and again unmuted, it becomes difficult for the person to communicate in a proper way. Unnecessary noise will create problem in the flow of communication. Second thing, if you have any question, don't consider it as a silly question. No question is a silly question. So in case if you have any questions or any doubts, you are requested to keep it with you till the time the speaker is going to speak and give his delivery. Once when the delivery is done, once when you understand from the point of view of the speaker, sir, that is Mr. Shishir Gupta, who is the CEO of Startup Lanes, then you are requested to post your questions, or you can unmute your speaker, you can unmute your video, and then you can ask. So I take this as an opportunity to start this webinar. So on behalf of International School of Management, Patna, I, Neeru Kumari, welcome the speaker of this particular webinar session, Mr. Shishir Gupta, who is the CEO of Startup Lane. This initiative from Startup Lane is really one of the best one, which I believe that professional students, the one who are pursuing different courses, they will get maximum benefit out of this because every now and then we hear that instead of looking for job, instead of for seeking job, it is always advised to become a job giver. So how can you become a job giver? How can you think about starting your career as an entrepreneur, and what are the things that you have to keep in your mind if you're really willing to start your own startup or to initiate with your own business idea? So I welcome on behalf of International School of Management, Mr. Shishir Gupta. The platform is open to you, sir. I'll appreciate if we can start the session with your opening notes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I'm thankful to the International School of Management for inviting me on this platform. Let me tell you about myself and about Startup Lanes because that will make you understand what I'm speaking about. How can you relate with that? I'm the founder and CEO of Startup Lanes. Startup Lanes is the largest accelerator in the world with 5,000 accelerated startups. So that takes us to the largest. We are having our base in 56 cities across 15 countries. And that made us the fastest growing tech company in the world, ranked 113. And thankfully, we are the only entity from India, ranked by Grojo. And Grojo is the company that ranks the fastest growing companies. Besides that, we started in 2016, exactly on the date of Startup India policy. And this was started, the inspiration was Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. 2015, I was watching TV and I was inspired by the speech of Honorable Prime Minister while he talked about a lot of things. But the most important takeaway for me was, if an entrepreneur takes responsibility of creating 5 jobs, then this nation will constantly grow. If you teach somebody how to fish, you feed the person's family forever life. If you give him a fish, he might eat for a day. That's very important. And as a part of that journey, First, we established our base into different locations. I have been an investor too. I have invested into 16 startups personally. 58 startups have been invested by Startup Lanes last year. And we are the only organization that is a full service investment banking. Two angel networks. No other organization in the world runs two angel networks simultaneously. We have two angel networks, NRI angels and SL angels. Besides that, we have the network of a lot of entrepreneurs all across these 56 cities, headed by our regional directors. Honorable Prime Minister had this dream of generating 2 crore jobs per year. And without any discussion or support or seeking any assistance from the government, we took this responsibility to contribute, and Startup Lanes has taken this objective of generating 20 million jobs or 20 crore jobs in next 10 years, right, through startups. And that's very important. That's the most important part, that what we are trying to do. We are supporting founders, and we are supporting people to become founders so that they launch their own startups, take the responsibility of generating jobs, and that is how this ripple effect will be created. I would like to have this session as an interactive session, so I'll be happy to interact with all of you. If you can switch on your cameras very well, it will be great to have a one-to-one interaction, and I will be able to ask few questions. And my first question to you, because we need to understand what we are talking about, so let me also tell you, I'll be the takeaway from this session will be, after this session you will be able to understand how you can develop your career, which is an entrepreneurial career, not entrepreneur. You can work as an entrepreneur in a corporate, and that is called intrapreneur. Plus, whenever you want, you can also launch your startup. So that is the need of the hour. You have to have that kind of mindset, knowledge and skills, so that whenever you want, you can launch your startup. And after this session, you will be able to understand that you can, how you can differentiate between an entrepreneur and a businessman. Also, you will be able to find out career opportunities in startups, as well as you will be able to launch your own startup. But I would like to ask you this question, and very important question. What is common between Elon Musk and Bill Gates? Can anybody tell me? And Jeff Bezos also. Yeah, you can unmute. You can unmute and speak, because that, if we can make this an interactive session, it will be good.
So there's a reply from a student who says that they all are rich. Of course, they all are rich. But how did they become rich? And what is the basic difference between these three great personalities whom we all...
Yeah, if you can unmute and speak, that will be great. The most important thing that's common, okay, I'll tell you what is the difference and what is common. The only difference is they all have different organizations, but the common thing is they all are founder of startups, and they are richest or were richest people in the world. And who is the richest person now? Can anybody tell me? Just yesterday this happened. Richest in the world? You don't have to
Elon
Google
Musk.
it.
Elon Musk.
Elon
Yes,
Musk.
Elon Musk. What is common with Elon Musk now? If you find out a common between Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, what is
They
common?
both own a space agency.
Does Bill Gates own a space agency?
Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk own space agencies.
What about Bill Gates? Okay, the common thing is everybody, all of them became rich because of a startup. So can we say the richest people in the world in the last 2-3 decades have been the founder of startups, right? We all know Jeff Bezos became the richest, now Elon Musk. Before that, Bill Gates. Microsoft was launched as a startup. Amazon also was launched as a startup. And similarly, we have SpaceX, Tesla, these companies, which Elon Musk holds. These were startups. So that's the most important part. The way to wealth is startups. If you have to become richest in the world, then you have to go about a startup. And what is that reason? Can anybody tell me why startups give you that kind of way to wealth? Anyone?
Because here we are not working under anyone. We are giving the jobs and we are the leader here.
Yes, that is one of the reason. But the most important reason is startups are about innovation. And when you innovate and launch a startup, you grow fast. And fast growth gives you edge over others. And that's the most important thing here. So either you can think of becoming an entrepreneur, or you can think of joining a startup and becoming an intrapreneur. That means you think like an entrepreneur, still work for a company like TCS, Infosys, or whichever dream company you have. What will be your benefit of having that mindset? You will be the first choice of companies like Amazon, Google, Tesla, Microsoft, right? And if you don't get this kind of approach in the companies, if you end up working for good startups like Byju's, then also you will need to have this kind of mindset. And the best part is we are we are tying up with 4,500 colleges in India and inviting 3,000 students, 3,000 students to join us and work in the live project. And this live project will give you the direct access to the decision makers of the nation. Decision makers of the nation means the corporate decision makers. Who are these corporate decision makers? Anybody knows? Who takes the corporate decision? Who runs the country? Corporate. Anybody knows? You can also answer me in Hindi, and if you want, I can talk to you in Hindi also. Moderator, do you want me to speak in Hindi if students feel more comfortable?
No, English is okay with them to understand, but in case if they have any idea and thought wherein they want to communicate with you in English as well as in Hindi, that is okay from our side. That is what I meant when
Hindi,
I said
Hindi मेरी भी मातृभाषा है. So
absolutely.
I can talk to you in Hindi. I will not feel bad if anybody answer me. I will feel more proud if you answer me in Hindi. That is okay, right? It's not about the language. Communication means what I speak, you understand, and what you speak, I understand. That's most important, right? So we will be inviting you to join us in this live project. And the takeaway of the live project is you will be able to directly connect with the decision makers of the nation. Who are these decision makers? CXOs. कौन बताएगा CXO क्या होता है? किसी को पता है? Quickly, अगर पता है तो आप बताइए, नहीं पता है then we'll move on. I'll tell you what it is. CXO means Chief Technology Officer, Chief Marketing Officers, Chief Finance Officer. Replace X को किसी भी word से replace, character से replace करेंगे and this will become, that means the C-level officers. CTO of Tata. Yes, Chief Experience Officer is also one of them, but CXO does not refers to Chief Experience Officer. CXO means replace X. X is small here with M, T, F, whatever it is. And these people, they take the decisions because they run these big companies. So CFO of Reliance has impact on the nation, right? Why? उसके decision से पूरा देश change होता है. They bring in a lot of influence to the country. और अगर आपको मौका मिल जाए उन लोगों से बात करने का, उनके माइंडसेट को समझने का, पहले तो वो आप अपने आप जाओगे तो वो कभी आपसे बात नहीं करेंगे. But if you go on our platform and interact with them, then they will talk to you, right? So it's nothing that we have as a commercial objective. हमारे लिए ये कोई commercial achievement नहीं है. It is a achievement for you. It is a benefit for you that we are giving. Why? If you have this opportunity, nobody, no college in this world, even most of the students working in our live projects are from IIMs with us, and their college also never gave them opportunity to interact with CXOs directly. We are giving you the opportunity to interact with the CXOs at par with all the students. We don't make any difference whether it is IIT, IIM, or any other college. They are working at par. So you get this opportunity. It's up to you if you want to join and work. मिलेगा क्या? आप CXOs से उनका mindset समझोगे. आप का काम क्या होगा? You will connect them with the startups. Why they want to connect with the startups? One, they want to give back to the nation, right? बड़ी बड़ी जो कंपनीज चला रहे हैं वही सिखाएंगे आगे. ये स्टार्टअप्स वाले जो नए लोग आ रहे हैं उनको कौन कैसे काम करना है, how to perform, right? A CMO of say big company like Reliance or Infosys can teach the marketing to somebody who is just starting a company, right? And if we get to learn from such good people, we get their connections, we get their learning, we get everything from them, and that is what works well. So that's most important. You will be getting this opportunity to work with these people in the live project. And let me now tell you the difference between an entrepreneur and a businessman. This will give you the right kind of understanding, because a lot of people think businessman and entrepreneur are interchangeable words. No, it is not. Businessman और entrepreneur दोनों अलग अलग होते हैं. तो आपको पहले समझना पड़ेगा entrepreneur कौन होता है, उसके बाद इंट्राप्रेन्योर बनने की कोशिश कर सकते हो आप. तो सबसे पहला डिफरेंस इज ओरिजिनल आइडिया. Entrepreneurs have original idea and they take out the risk of executing something for the first time. वो पहली बार जो अभी तक नहीं हुआ है वो करने की कोशिश करते हैं. बट बिजनेसमैन चाहता है कि जो चल रहा है वैसे ही चलाएं, जो उसको आता है वो ही करे. बिजनेसमैन टेक रिस्क बट कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क, कम रिस्क लेना चाहता है. ठीक है. So that was also the second point, the risk bearing capability. Both take risk, but entrepreneurs take more risk, businessman takes less risk. Purpose, एक बिजनेसमैन का पर्पस है सिर्फ पैसा कमाना, प्रॉफिट. बट एंटरप्रेन्योर का पर्पस है इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट करना, सोसाइटी पे, समाज में कुछ बदलाव लाना. दैट इज द पर्पस ऑफ एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. देन इनोवेशन इज अनदर डिफरेंस. बिजनेसमैन डज नॉट वांट, उनको इनोवेट करने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स नेसेसरली हैव टू इनोवेट. कुछ नया करके लाएंगे तभी कुछ अच्छा हो पाएगा. और पांचवा पॉइंट जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है वो है चेंज. बिजनेसमैन को सब चीज में स्टेबिलिटी चाहिए. अरे रेवेन्यू नहीं गिरना चाहिए, जो जैसे चल रहा है वैसे ही चलेगा. बट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, they want to have change in everything. They like falling revenue is also okay, growing revenue is also okay, stability they don't want. And that is the basic difference. Anybody, would you like to ask me any question about startup or any technical term like valuation, traction, funding, angel investor, venture capital? Feel free to ask me.
Students, you should not hesitate when given an opportunity to interact with such an eminent personality who is not only helping students and the others to establish their startup, but is also known for the services that are available by them, not only in our country but also outside our country. So I'll appreciate if you can ask questions related to what do you know. In fact, do you know what exactly the startups are? Any question from any of the student? You can unmute your speaker and you can ask.
I want to ask one thing. Whenever as we are pursuing now BBA, we are pursuing, and I'm in second year. So this is our basically initial stage of learning. So if any idea comes in our mind and we want to implement it, then from where we get the financial support? We actually need financial support now for doing any startup, and I don't think that without financial support we can start any startup. So how it could be possible?
Yes, Prerna, let me tell you a very good story about Mark Zuckerberg. You know who is Mark Zuckerberg?
Yeah, he's the Facebook CEO.
Right. He was the person जिसके पास बिल्कुल पैसा नहीं था. He never had anything, right? He did not had support from the parents. He did not had. He used to sell newspapers for a living, right? And Dhirubhai Ambani. There are n number of examples I can quote you. All these, in fact, Bill Gates. He created a software at the age of 14, and he was not having very good. They lived into, you know where Bill Gates lived? Into a temporary van. उसकी पूरी फैमिली एक टूटी फूटी वैन में रहती थी. जैसे आपने देखा ना वो चाउमीन वाली वैन होती है in India. They used to live there. So it's not about money. Money comes externally. कोई कितना भी अमीर हो, I'm sure you must have heard, nobody who is very very rich has created such a startup which became such big. People who took money from others, they only expanded and set up their business. अब वो करना कैसे है? वो करना ऐसे है जब आप स्टार्टअप लेंस के साथ या किसी भी अदर अच्छी स्टार्टअप के साथ जो ऐसा इकोसिस्टम, वी आर अ कंप्लीट इकोसिस्टम, चला रहे हैं, उनके साथ जुड़ोगे, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द माइंडसेट. आपको स्टार्टअप्स कैसे काम कर रहे हैं, आइडियाज कैसे सोच रहे हैं, क्या क्या आइडियाज आ रहे हैं, प्लस इन्वेस्टमेंट कैसे ले रहे हैं, ये सब आपको समझ आएगा. प्लस आपके रिलेशनशिप्स बन जाएंगे. सपोज यू मेक अ कनेक्शन विद CMO ऑफ इन्फोसिस, और आपने कोई IT मार्केटिंग का कुछ बना दिया, है ना? अब वो IT कंपनी में मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट को हेड करते हैं, विच इज वेरी बिग, सो ही मस्ट बी हैविंग लॉट ऑफ मनी. एंड इफ ही सेज ओके प्रेरणा, आई विल इन्वेस्ट 1 crore with you, I like this idea, then you don't have to look back in the life, right? सब मौका किसके पास आ जाए किसी को नहीं पता है. एंड आई टेल यू व्हाट वी लैक. हम लोग किस वजह से मात खाते हैं? बिकॉज वी नेवर ट्राई. राइट, ज्वाइन कर लेंगे. बहुत सारे बच्चे लाइव प्रोजेक्ट में हमें ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं एंड दे डोंट डू एनीथिंग आफ्टर दैट. फिर वो बहाने मारते हैं. यू बहाना किससे मारेंगे? कोई कॉलेज तो है नहीं. बहाना वो अपनी जिंदगी से कर रहे हैं. दे आर चीटिंग देयर फ्यूचर. राइट, डोंट चीट योर फ्यूचर, आई विल से दैट. आप लोग कभी भी अपने भविष्य को चीट मत करो, अपने पेरेंट्स को चीट मत करो, अपने आने वाले बच्चों को चीट मत करो. आप भी कभी बड़े होगे, यू विल हैव फैमिलीज. इफ you waste time today, you are cheating your future, and this is an intentional mistake lot many people do because they think अरे लाइफ में अभी एंजॉय कर लो. नो, दिस इज द टाइम. आपकी उम्र से पहले 17 साल की उम्र में मार्क जकरबर्ग ने फेसबुक बना ली थी. 14 साल की उम्र में बिल गेट्स माइक्रोसॉफ्ट बना रहे थे. एंड वी आर स्टिल स्टडिंग. इंडिया में 36 साल तक तो लड़का लड़की पढ़ ही रहे हैं. We are still studying till the age of 32, 34, 36, 38. I've seen people getting married at 38, 39. Right? This is killing our productive time because everybody is chasing भाई अच्छी जॉब मिल जाए, गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिल जाए, स्टेबल जॉब. क्या करोगे ऐसी स्टेबिलिटी का? You will be hand to mouth forever life. And COVID has taught us जॉब चली गई तो किसी की भी जा सकती है. So it's not about. And you will find very soon there will be, foreign में तो पुलिस भी प्राइवेट है. There will be time when government jobs will not be secured. I'm telling you. आने वाले 15 साल में ये सब बदल जाएगा. Note it down. I am the person who predicted जब बिटकॉइन $1,000 था तब मैंने बोला था $30,000 बढ़ जाएगा 2021 में. आप मेरी पोस्ट जाके पढ़ना. एंड 4 दिन पहले मैंने बोला था बिटकॉइन $50,000 पहुंचेगा. $40,000 कल हो गया. Right, it's not about I know the future. It's about the more experience you get better understandings of things. आपको जितना एक्सपीरियंस होता जाता है और आप लाइफ को जितना सीरियसली लेते हैं उतना ही आपको डिसीजंस लेना आसान हो जाता है. राइट, इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग, अचीव समथिंग, नोबडी विल टेल यू दिस. हर किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. सब आपको अपनी जिम्मेदारी खुद उठानी है. किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आपके पेरेंट्स भी चाहेंगे कि आप एक स्टेबल नौकरी करो, पर स्टेबल नौकरी में कोई देखा है आपने बिल गेट्स निकलता हुआ? किसी को देखा है मार्क जकरबर्ग बनते हुए, स्टीव जॉब्स बनते हुए? इन सब ने जॉब्स छोड़ी थी. इन सब ने जॉब्स करी नहीं थी. इन सब ने कॉलेज भी छोड़े थे. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू टू ड्रॉप आउट ऑफ द कॉलेज. इंडिया में वो अभी सिस्टम नहीं है, ना आना चाहिए. कॉलेज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एजुकेशन मेक्स यू परफेक्ट. लॉट ऑफ पीपल जितने भी ड्रॉप आउट्स हैं वो भी सक्सेसफुल हैं. वो इस वजह से नहीं है कि उन्होंने कॉलेज छोड़ा था. उससे ज्यादा हजारों लोग सक्सेसफुल हैं जिन्होंने कॉलेज किया था, अच्छे नंबर लाए थे, पढ़ाई को अच्छे से किया था. बिकॉज लॉर्ड शिवा हैज सेड अ मैन्स ग्रेटेस्ट पोजेशन, इंसान की सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि ज्ञान है. नॉलेज इज द ग्रेटेस्ट पोजेशन एनीबडी. जिंदा रहना है जिंदगी भर तो जिंदा रहने का ज्ञान. राइट, हाउ टू लिव फॉरएवर. इफ यू गेट दैट नॉलेज देन नोबडी कैन बीट यू. विन करना है, जीतना है तो जीतने का ज्ञान. नॉलेज से बढ़कर कुछ नहीं. That is why I decided to talk to each student, go to different colleges and create an environment where you have, because you are the future. आप लोगों का अगर माइंडसेट सही हुआ, मुझे इससे कोई पैसे का लालच तो नहीं है. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग and I absolutely don't have any other objective except setting up your mindset. Does not matter whether you ignore it or you pursue. Even if one person out of you becomes successful, I don't want you to thank me. Just do what I'm doing right now. Motivate others, inspire others to invest their time and do something big for their country, for their people. lot of people here in this country, people still die without food, still die because they don't have water, still die because they don't get clothing and shelter in the winters. We are fortunate, God has given us everything. We have the technology, you and me both have laptop or phone and everything, internet connection, good clothes, good food to eat. We have to do something for them. They will not be able to do this for themselves because they have not got this opportunity like you and me to have this education. उनको वो पढ़ाई करने का मौका नहीं मिला जो आपको और मुझे मिला या मिल रहा है. That's very important for us. हम सबको मिलके पहले अपने आप को आगे बढ़ाना है. आगे बढ़ेंगे तो देश आगे बढ़ेगा और वो लोगों तक जब पर कैपिटा इनकम बढ़ेगी, जॉब्स क्रिएट होंगे तो उन लोगों तक भी खुशहाली पहुंचेगी. Right? This will not at all come if you think about a stable job. I'm not against a stable job, but I'm just telling you, अगर हर इंसान यही सोच लेगा कि स्टेबल जॉब करनी है, बड़ा बनना ही नहीं है, तो फिर कोई बड़ा नहीं बनेगा. आपको बड़े बनने के लिए ये सही समय है. It is exactly the right time for you to become big. कैसे बनेंगे? किसी मल्टी लेवल मार्केटिंग में ज्वाइन करके नहीं बनेंगे. कोई जब आपको बोलता है कि मेरा बिजनेस ज्वाइन कर लो, वो आपको पागल बना रहे. बड़े बनेंगे आप अपना कुछ करेंगे तब, और वो कैसे करेंगे उसके लिए आपको प्रैक्टिकली सीखना है. वो आपको किताबों में नहीं मिलेगा. वो आपको कहाँ मिलेगा? प्रैक्टिकली जब आप ऐसे लोगों से बात करोगे जो बड़े बन चुके हैं या वो बड़े बनने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं. राइट? वो वहां नहीं मिलेगा जो आपको बोलता है कि मैं बड़ा बनाता हूँ आपको, बड़ा बिजनेस करता हूँ, ये करता हूँ. बिकॉज दे हैव द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ जस्ट गिविंग यू फ्री का ज्ञान and showing advertisements on the YouTube, right? They will never ever, or they might charge you for whatever knowledge they give you. It's not about, that is not the way I'm telling you. किसी कोर्स करके आप किसी YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके नहीं बन पाएंगे. You have to learn whatever has never been done. जो किताब में नहीं है उसी से बड़ा बनता है इंसान. And please don't get me wrong. जो किताब में है वो आपका बेस सेटअप करता है ना. जब हम लंबी ऊंची छलांग लगाएंगे तो पहले छत तक जाएंगे, सीढ़ियां उसके लिए आपका कॉलेज, एजुकेशन, स्कूल सब आपको वो बेस दे रहा है. नाउ यू हैव गॉट द बेस, यू हैव टू डू समथिंग व्हिच हैज नेवर बीन डन. यू हैव टू ट्राई समथिंग व्हिच हैज नेवर बीन ट्राइड. तभी तो कुछ बड़ा होगा. जिसने एरोप्लेन का आविष्कार किया, जिसने इंटरनेट का किया, या जिसने फोन का किया, जिसने लाइट का किया, बल्ब का किया, वो थॉमस एडिसन ने भी बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट किए. वो अगर किताबों में लगे रहते जो अभी तक है तो वो कुछ नया नहीं बना सकते थे. पर अगर वो किताब नहीं पढ़ते तो भी नहीं बना सकते थे, बिकॉज वो बेस तो चाहिए. यू नीड टू हैव द बेसिक्स. सो यू नीड टू लर्न whatever has been done and then you have to keep trying what has never been done. I can take one more question, and 12:40 sharp we have to shut down this because I have to leave. I have another session.
Sir, there's a question, I believe, from Mr. Manjeet Kumar. Manjeet, I'll appreciate if you can unmute your speaker and ask the question, please.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, my question is, if I want to make my own business with my a startup idea, then how it is possible?
देखो मंजीत, मेरे लिए आप ही जेफ बिजोस हो, मेरे लिए आप ही सुंदर पिचई हो. यू आर नॉट लेस देन एनीबडी फेमस एंड हैविंग दैट माइंडसेट. फर्क क्या है आप में और सुंदर पिचई में? फर्क मेरे हिसाब से ये है कि आपको पहले माइंडसेट डेवलप करना है, जो मैं अभी आपको बता रहा हूँ. माइंडसेट कैसे डेवलप होगा? अगर क्या आपको लगता है अगर सुंदर पिचई गूगल ज्वाइन करके ना करके किसी हलवाई की दुकान पे बैठे होते तो आज वो सुंदर पिचई होते? ठीक है, फर्ज करके देखना. डोंट लाफ एट इट, बट ट्राई टू इमेजिन. टैलेंट वेस्ट हो जाता है. ठीक है, बट अगर आप और डीप डिग करोगे और ध्यान से सोचोगे तो आपको पता लगेगा इट इज द एनवायरमेंट दैट मेक्स यू ग्रो. ठीक है, वो एनवायरमेंट आपको चाहिए, आपको भी चाहिए, और वो एनवायरमेंट अभी आपको मिल रहा है. स्टार्टअप लेंस दे रहा है, हम सबको मौका देना चाहते हैं. और इट इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी आप लोगों के लिए भी बहुत बड़ी, you call it luck or whatever it is, that one by one we are approaching colleges, and absolutely we just check your aptitude कि आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं, कुछ पैशन है, ठीक है. वी डोंट चेक योर कम्युनिकेशन, वी डोंट चेक योर एजुकेशन, कुछ नहीं देखते हम. हमारे लिए सिर्फ आपके करने की कुछ चाहत ही सब कुछ है, एंड वी आर रेडी टू गिव यू दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. ठीक है, आपको वो अपॉर्चुनिटी लेनी है. और अगर आप कुछ सीरियसली करना चाहते हो अपनी लाइफ में, अपने लिए, अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए, अपने आने वाले कल के लिए, अपने लोगों के लिए, और हर उस देशवासी के लिए जो शायद जिसको वो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिली, क्योंकि वो हमें देनी है, वो अपने आप नहीं आएगी. राइट, वी आर नॉट पॉलिटिशियंस जो वादे करेंगे और शायद निभा नहीं पाएंगे. वी आर द पीपल हु विल एक्चुअली एग्जीक्यूट थिंग्स, है ना. आपने कभी सोचा है कि आपके एक्शन से एक कॉमन मैन को क्या फायदा होता है या क्या नुकसान होता है, या हम उनके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? ज्यादा से ज्यादा हम ये सोचते हैं कि इनको कुछ पैसे दे दें, उससे कुछ नहीं होगा. होगा कैसे? जब आप खुद को ग्रो करोगे, ऑटोमेटिकली वो सब ग्रो हो जाएंगे. और वो ग्रोथ कैसा होना चाहिए? वो आपको स्टेबल जॉब करके कभी भी नहीं मिलेगा. राइट, बिकॉज वो स्टेबल जॉब करने वाले लाखों करोड़ों हैं, लेकिन जेफ बेजोस, बिल गेट्स बनने वाले, एलन मस्क बनने वाले बहुत कम हैं. मेरा सिर्फ इतना ही काम है, राइट, टू इंस्टिल दैट थॉट जो आपने कभी सोचा नहीं है. मैं सिर्फ आपको वो सोच देने आया हूँ. अगर आपने वो सोच लिया, ठीक है, और एक इंसान ने भी सोच लिया, आई विल बी थैंकफुल एंड यू विल बी थैंकफुल टू मी कि आपको मैंने ये सोच दी. आपके पास दो रास्ते हैं. आज अगर आपने समझा नहीं तो 10 साल बाद आप रिग्रेट करोगे, 15 साल बाद करोगे, 50 साल बाद भी करोगे कि मुझे मौका मिला था. आज आपके हाथ में मौका है. कुछ पैसे नहीं लग रहे, है ना, कुछ नहीं लग रहा आपका. All you have to do is explore this opportunity and give your 100% best. Join us. And मैंने आपको बताया, हमको आपको सेलेक्टिव, हम आपको रिजेक्ट नहीं कर रहे किसी चीज के लिए. आपके सिर्फ पैशन के बेस पे हम आपको रिजेक्ट करेंगे या सेलेक्ट करेंगे. इफ यू वांट टू वर्क देन डेफिनेटली जॉइन अस. वर्क 1 घंटे काम करना है बस. ठीक है, काम भी क्या करना है कि डिसीजन मेकर्स के साथ कनेक्ट करना है, फाउंडर्स के साथ कनेक्ट करना है, उनके माइंडसेट को समझना है, जो आपके लिए ही आपको वो एनवायरनमेंट में ले जाने का मौका दे रहे हैं. आप ये फर्ज करके समझ लो कि आपको बेस्ट ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, जो सुंदर पिचाई को गूगल में मिला, वो आपको मौका मिल रहा है एक बार. बिकॉज अपॉर्चुनिटी, बड़े लोग कहते हैं अपॉर्चुनिटी बार बार नहीं आती. वंस मिस्ड इट्स गॉन. यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट इट. ऐसे नहीं आएगा. कोई ऐसी पढ़ाई नहीं है जो मैं आपको बोल दूं ये पढ़ लो तो आप सुंदर पिचाई बन जाओगे या आप बिल गेट्स बन जाओगे. एक्चुअली में नहीं है. लाखों करोड़ों वही पढ़ाई करते हैं जो सुंदर पिचाई ने करी थी, है ना. फिर भी एक ही निकलता है. क्यों निकलता है? बिकॉज उनको वो मौका मिला और उन्होंने वो छोड़ा नहीं. एंड यू शुड नॉट लीव दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. हर चीज को कभी पैसे से नहीं तोलना चाहिए. बिकॉज हो सकता है जो ऐसी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हो, अगर आप हिस्ट्री उठा के देखोगे तो वो पहले इतनी अट्रैक्टिव नहीं लगती थी जितनी वो होती हैं. ज्यादातर लोग, एक तरफ पैसा दिखता है और एक तरफ शायद कुछ नहीं दिखता है ना. तो पैसे वाली तरफ चले जाते हैं, दूसरी तरफ शायद हीरे जवाहरात गड़े होते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू. जो दिखता है वो एक्चुअली में होता नहीं है. सो डोंट, whatever is lucrative to you might not be the actual lucrative thing in the world. Try something new which has never been tried. Innovation के बारे में सोचिए. और जरूरी नहीं है कि आपने इंजीनियरिंग करी हो या साइंस साइड से हो. उसकी ऐसे ज्यादातर लोग ऐसे आगे बढ़े हैं जिन्होंने ऐसा कुछ, इनके पास एजुकेशन नहीं थी. Does not matter, right? What matters is your interest and passion. All right, so we are just 1 minute left, and I would like to thank you 100 times for allowing me to come on your platform and speak to the students and instill this thought, because for the nation it is important. And that's what I'm trying to do my duty, because until and unless common people like us come forward and try to instill this thought into the student, this is not going to have a ripple effect. So we want to have a ripple effect. If students start thinking and talking about this, and if they spread this word and talk to others, and definitely if all the students, if you like my thoughts. You can follow me at LinkedIn, and you can leave comments. I'll be happy to interact, and you are all most welcome to join us, learn what we are doing, and avail the opportunity. That's all. Thank you once more.
Thank you very much, sir, for your precious time, because I certainly believe that people like you who have got the experience, who have seen startups growing, you are the one who have nurtured many startups. So therefore, of course, this 30-minute session will not help students to understand exactly how the functionality of the startups is, because Manjeet was asking about his idea. Now, I cannot say, Manjeet, whether your idea is feasible or not. You have to run the pilot. How do we run the pilot? How do we learn from the experiences of others? How can we identify whether my idea is innovative one or not? For this, you have to have a lot of interaction. And probably that is what you are going to gain once when you join the live project of Startup Lanes. So I'll appreciate many of you, the one who are looking forward for this live project. Very soon we are going to let you know when the aptitude test that is being told by sir would be held, would be conducted, and then accordingly you can join the live project that is provided or facilitated by Startup Lane. Thank you once again, sir, for giving your precious time and interacting with the students of Bihar, making them understand that yes, startups can be a thought which can be initiated by anyone or by everyone. The only thing is they need to have that right passion within them, the right idea. Instead of copying and pasting it from somebody else, you need to have your own idea, and that is what innovation is. Thank you very much, Mr. Shishir.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. And thanks to all the students who have attended this session. And I want you to, I'll be leaving this particular session with a small food for your thought. Be more innovative, look for the problems and look for your own solution instead of looking for the solution from others. Thank you very much and have
Thank
a
you,
fantastic
students. One more time. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.